With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello friends, question is given here. A block of mass m start at rest at height on a frictionless inclined plane. The block slides down. The plane travels across rough horizontal surface with coefficient of kinetic friction mu and compression spring with constant k, distance x before monometrically coming to rest. Then the spring extends and the block travels back across the rough surface, sliding up the plane. Okay. The block travels a total distance d on the rough horizontal surface. The correct expression for maximum height h dash that the block reaches on the return is. Okay. So here see the final potential energy. Okay. Final potential energy of block is equal to initial potential energy. Okay, initial potential energy plus work done by friction. Okay, work done by friction. Okay, so final potential energy, therefore mg and final height h dash is equal to initial potential energy mgh. Okay, and minus of the mu mg friction force, okay, into distance d. Okay, so this will be our answer. mgh dash is equal to mgh minus mu mgd, means option first is here correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.